apart from using the tags and the keywords and the description and whatnot, we can also use some of the very advanced secret ninja tools for ranking our videos inside the search engine, and we look into them one by one. The number one stuff which I always use is a free link creation or link building service called Pingler. Okay, now Pingler is like, announcing the birth of a baby. Once you create a content, nobody knows it, until people start searching for your content. But what happens once you use it through Pingler, Pingler kind of announces the arrival of your video to the entire world. You can use it into your video or into your blog content or any kind of link building. So very effective tool. We'll also see a live demo how Pingler actually works. So it's virally spreads your link all across the internet. Then we have a content syndication tool which is known as Type Pro. Very effective tool, especially if you are a random video creator or a blog builder, or if you are someone who is building videos plus blogs together. Now what happens once you create a content, the content has to be syndicated into your own social media like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Dig and whatnot. Now imagine you are having 10 different social media accounts, so it takes a lot of time to post your content over there. Now imagine a scenario when someone posts all this content for you. Not only that, once you have hundreds and thousands of people sharing your content into their social media, so imagine the kind of spread you're going to have. Imagine the kind of love you're going to get from Google, because they're going to think, heck, here is something big happening, so they'll give you the priority and ranking inside their own search engine. Then we have a German-based search engine ranker. You can see the website name .de, gsa-online.de. It costs you some money, $99, but heck, it's worth every penny. Then we have a PR8 website. Now if you don't have any idea about PR, PR is given depending on the ranking of your website and depending on the traffic. For example, Google is a PR10 website, Facebook is PR10. Now anything above PR5 is very good. Now PR8 is actually awesome. Okay, it's awesome. So through Pluck.com, actually I believe there is a spelling mistake from my end from this particular website. The actual spelling of this particular website will be L-U-R-K. Okay, the C will be replaced by K. The C will be replaced by R. Okay, it's a PR8 website which is awesome, and you can post your free content into Pluck.com. Then we have VK.com, which is a PR9 website, and PR9 is, my God, this is absolutely killer. And VK.com is the Russian version of Facebook, and they have more than 100 million users inside VK.com. And the cool part is that you can open a free account in Plurk and VK.com, and once you post your videos or your stuff over there, and once Google sees that the content is coming from a PR8 and PR9 website towards your website or towards your content, they absolutely love that. Alright, and it gives you an instant boost into your website. Now apart from that, you can also build your natural links via your own Facebook account, Twitter, Vimeo, StumbleUpon, Reddit, LinkedIn, Google+, Box, Pinterest and Flickr. Now having said that, let's go live into some of these websites and have a look how they work. Now we are now inside Pingler.com, which is, you can open a free account with Pingler, and you can start posting. Now it's very simple process. Like I want to post a simple link, so you have to just come over here and give a title, then you have to give your URL which you want to promote, then you have to give a category. We are into business. We are, yes, I think business will be good enough. Yes, and then you have to enter a captcha over here, which is WCAT. I'm horrible with captchas, by the way, guys. I always, make a lot of mistakes. Alright, while giving these captchas. If you guys know how to give captchas in the perfect way, do send me your suggestions, man. I just suck at this. So once you have done this, just click on ping, and you will see in front of your eyes, see, I have filled in the human verification of captcha. No problem, I can try it again. Alright, I always do mistakes, and I'm not being funny, but it's true. So let me do it once again. Yummy. Then there is INMY TUMMY, tummy. I don't know why these things always hits me very bad, but yes, hopefully this will work this time. So let's see. Yes, this has worked finally. So it will show you starting ping process, and after a few seconds you will see that it will start generating all the links for you. Okay, your position in the queue is 0, that means it is now starting to build the links for you. Okay, now this is a free version. You can also go for a basic package, but my recommendation to you, you don't need that. Okay, so you can see now in front of your eyes, within seconds it has started to build the links for me. Okay, for that particular URL which I have just given in front of you. You can see now there have been hundreds and thousands of links are being built within seconds. Okay, awesome stuff. You can also enter your email ID and get this report into your email ID if you want to do that. Now let's move into Type Pro. Okay, because the rest of the part you can see it for yourself. I don't want to be too much into this because it's easy stuff. The second part over here is Type Pro, which is a social syndication website, which creates you can automate your post into social media. Not only that, your content will be posted inside hundreds and thousands of social media accounts across the world, helping you to build content syndication, get backlinks, and basically rank your stuff. Then we are into this German website of gsa-online.de, wherein you can buy this product. I'll just show you. Search Engine Ranker. Alright, awesome product, and helps you to build your backlinks 24 hours. Now this is plurk.com. You can see the spelling here. This is PLURK, and over here you can just post your content, and again a PR8 website. And now we are inside this this Russian version of Facebook. Looks like Facebook a lot. Alright, you can create a free account. A very simple process, like I'm sure you have a Facebook account. Once you do that, you can post your content. And look at this, guys. They have 100 million active users. So once you post your content, people are going to like, share, comment, and you're going to get some backlinks into your original video content, and believe me, Google loves it. So these are some of the tricks. If you apply, my dear friend, listen to me carefully now. All right, if you apply all these things, you are going to crank it like a champ. All right, let me repeat, you are going to crank it like a champ. I believe that you have loved this stuff. Do share your testimonials with us once you start getting results with this particular stuff, and just get back to work, man. I am super excited, and I'll see you in the next video.